Hello, how are you? Are you fine? I am fine, thank you. Today is a lovely day, right? Yes. Okay, today we are going to tell you about a new sound, which is W sound. Let's start. The letter W always makes the sound W. W. For example, we have utter. When we add W at the beginning of the word, it becomes water, water. And here we have lots of examples.
Winter, winter. I make snowman in the winter. My favorite season is winter. Wake up, wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Water, water. I drink a glass of water every morning. Window, window. I open the window to look at outside. Waiting, waiting. They are waiting for the bus and they are going to school. Woman, woman. The woman reads a book. Waiter, waitress. The waiter and waitress work in a restaurant and they are serving people. Windy, windy. The weather is windy in autumn. Wet, wet. My mom hangs wet clothes in the sun. Wagon, wagon. The wagon has 4 wheels. Wolf, wolf. The wolf lives on the mountain and is a wild animal. Windmill, windmill. The windmill works with wind. Wheat, wheat. I take the wheat to the mill and I make flour. Well, well. The well is very deep. Web, web. The spider makes web. Wedding, wedding. I go to a wedding party. Watch TV, watch TV. They watch TV. Whale, whale. The whale lives in the sea. Walk, walk. She is walking with her dog. Wings, wings. The birds have 2 wings.
Review time. It's review time. Let's make review together. Let's start. What's this? Very good. This is wagon. Well done. And what's this? Very good. Windy. And what happened to them? Very good. Wet. They are wet. And this one? Wake up. Wake up. He just wake up. And who is this? Yes, he's a waiter. What's this? Very good. Whale. And what's this one? Window. Very good. Story time. I wake up early and I drink a glass of water. Then I look at outside through the window. The weather is windy. We wait for taxi to take us to a wedding party. It's my friend's party. It's a nice party. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.